The third and final day at Disney World. Today we're going to Hollywood Studios. It's sad that it's our last day, but before this is all said and done, this might be the funnest day yet. We're talking about Star Wars, Toy Story Land, and the iconic Tower of Terror. So let's get after it. We are getting an even earlier start than Epcot, and that's because we're only doing a half day. So we want to take advantage of the early access rope drop and also the multi-pass that we got. And this park is not that big. You can really do most of the things in the park in half a day. The day starts with a nice, cool walk over to the park from our hotel. It's about 20 minutes from our hotel room to the gate. And at 7:20 in the morning, it's a nice, pleasant 68 degrees. We got in line at 7:43. As you can see, there are about 50 people ahead of us in our line, which is not too bad. Considering there are tens of thousands of people that come through this gate every day, this is not bad at all. The strategy is to be one of the first people into the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance ride. That ride can easily get a line up to 2 hours on any given day. We're anticipating the gate to open at 8, and then we're off to the races. It's a completely unique look at the park in the morning. It's fairly empty, the lighting is great, and you see people speed walking towards the ride they want to do first. The farthest section from the entrance of Hollywood Studios is Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Now this place is amazing. They really did create a whole new world here. This is supposed to be Batuu, a world that's not been explored yet in any part of the movies or shows. And the details are just immaculate. It really makes you feel like you're there in another world. It's so cool that you can just spend hours walking around looking at stuff. But we are here for a reason, and that is to experience Rise of the Resistance, and that's where we're going next.
Outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Bukhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bukhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
There's nowhere to run.
off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command.
Better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly right. Push forward to fly down.
Well, after 2 super fun rides and a photo with Chewbacca, we are done at Galaxy's Edge. Next up, Toy Story Land. Slinky Dog Dash is the second most popular ride in Hollywood studios. The line can get up to an hour to hour and a half. Because of our early entry, we went directly there after Rise of Resistance and only waited half an hour. We're almost at the end of our Disney World trip, and I gotta say, for my first time, it far exceeded my expectation, and I will be back. For now, we'll wrap it up with the world famous Hollywood Tower of
You're
Terror.
moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right. Something is about to happen that will change all that. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star.